How to block ads on all iPhone games. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply go ahead and enable airplane mode. So swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will see the option for airplane mode. So go ahead and tap on the airplane mode icon and then open the game and check if it works offline. Many games cannot load ads without an internet connection. Next fix is open settings on your device and then tap on the cellular option you see there. Further, scroll down and find the game and then go ahead and turn off the toggle button for mobile data or cellular access for that particular game, and then the game will connect only when Wi-Fi is available. Next, in settings again, tap on screen time and then on content and privacy restrictions. Here, go ahead and enable the feature and review available ad related restrictions. While this won't remove all in-game ads, it can limit some advertising features. See if that helps. If not, then go back to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. Here, go ahead and tap on the eye icon next to your connected network and then tap on the configure DNS manual option and then go ahead and set it to manual and then save the changes and test your games. See if that helps, and if not, then the last fix for this could be that you might need to purchase the ad-free version of the game. Many free games offer a one-time purchase or subscription to remove ads, and this is the most reliable way to eliminate ads while supporting the developers. So, this was about how you can block ads on all iPhone games. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.